Hello student, today we are going to start first chapter of geometry, which is basic concept in the geometry. So start with the introduction. In that, first is a point. As we know that the point is a tiny dot. The dot is symbol for the point and the point is denoted by the capital letter and we read it point A. Similarly, point B, point C. Next is a line. See, the second basic concept in the geometry, which is line. Here we draw a one line. Observe this line. A line is shown by arrowhead from both the end and line is denoted by the small letter. Here we draw line L. Third basic concept is plane. As you know that plane is a flat surface and plane is always denoted by capital letter. Here we draw plane H. So these are three basic concepts that we are going to study for solving our practice set. The next point is coordinate of point and distance. For that, we draw here a number line. See, here we draw a number line which denotes some letters. See, observe this number line very carefully. You will notice one thing is that point D is lies on the number line and point D denote the number 1. Similarly, point E denote the number 3. Point B denotes the number -2. Point C denotes the number -3. So, we can say that 1 is the coordinate of point D. Similarly, 3 is the coordinate of point E. -2 is the coordinate of point B. -3 is the coordinate of point C. Then we find the distance between the given two points. For that, suppose we have to find the distance between point D and E. So we denote here distance DE. Look at the given number line. 1 is the coordinate of point D and 3 is the coordinate of point E. So 3 is greater than 1. So distance DE is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Always remember student, we subtract smaller coordinate from the larger one when we find out the distance between given two points. Just take another example. Suppose we have to find the distance between the point B and point C. See, -2 is the coordinate of point B and -3 is the coordinate of point C. You know that -2 is greater than -3. Therefore, distance BC is equal to -2 minus in bracket -3 is equal to -2 minus minus is get +3. So -2 plus 3 is equal to 1. So distance between the point B and C is 1. In this way, we calculate the distance between given two points. Then next point is betweenness. See, if PQR, these are three any collinear point, there are three possibilities. First is Q is lies in between the point P and R. So we can say that P dash Q dash R. Q is between point P and R. And we write it we can show this distance PR is equal to distance PQ plus distance QR. Next one is R is between P and Q. So we write is P dash R dash Q. Then distance PQ is equal to distance PR plus distance RQ. Last one is P is between point R and point Q. So we write it R dash P dash Q, and distance RQ is equal to distance RP plus distance PQ. It is our property betweenness. A point is lies in between any two points. We get the three possibilities and we get this relationship among these 3 points. Then on this 3 point we are going to start our practice set 1.1. In that practice set 1.1, first example is we are given a number line and we have to find the distance between the given 2 points. In that first one is we have to find distance BE. See, this number line 2 is the coordinate of point P, then 5 is the coordinate of point E. So 5 is greater than 2. Then distance BE is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Then we find distance JA. Minus 2 is the coordinate of point J and 1 is the coordinate of point A. 1 is greater than minus 2. Therefore distance JA is equal to 1 minus in bracket minus 2 is equal to 1 minus minus is get plus here 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Distance between these 2 points is 3. Next one is distance JH. See, again minus 2 is the coordinate of point J and minus 1 is the coordinate of point H. Minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Therefore distance JH is equal to minus 1 minus in bracket minus 2 is equal to minus 1 minus minus is get plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 1. So distance JH is equal to 1. The second example in the practice set 1.1 is if coordinate of point A and B is x and y. It means that coordinate of point A is x, coordinate of point B is y. Then we have to find distance AB. In that first example is if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 7. Therefore distance AB is equal to 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. Second, x is equal to 6, y is equal to minus 2. So distance AB is equal to 6 minus in bracket minus 2 is equal to minus minus is get plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Third example is x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 7. 7 is greater than minus 3. So distance AB is equal to 7 minus in bracket minus 3. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. It is the second example in the practice set 1.1. The third example in the practice set 1.1 is we are given some point, and from the given information we have to find which of the point is between the other 2 point, and we have to also find the given 2 points are collinear or the non-collinear one. In that, first example is distance PR is equal to 7, distance PQ is equal to 10, distance QR is equal to 3. First, our first step is we have to observe this given three distance very carefully. Then notice the largest distance and then find out the relationship among these two distance. See here, 10 is the largest distance among these two distance. So our solution is distance PQ is equal to 10. It is our equation number first. Then add the rest to distance. So distance PR plus distance QR is equal to 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Give our equation number second here. Now see, from the equation number first and equation number second, we get the relation distance PQ must be equal to the distance PR plus distance QR. So we can say that point R is between point P and point Q. And also if we get this relation, it means that both two sides LHS and RHS are satisfied, then we can say that point P, point Q and point R are the collinear point. The second example is, see, distance RS is equal to 8, distance ST is equal to 6, distance RT is equal to 4. See here, the largest distance is 8. So distance RS is equal to 8. It is our equation number first. Then we find out the addition of rest distance. Distance ST plus distance RT is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. It is our equation number second. See, from the equation number first and equation number second, we find out the relation distance RS is not equal to distance ST plus distance RT. So we conclude that point R, point S and point T are not a collinear points. It is our third example. Then fifth example is, if point X, Y, Z are the collinear point such that XY is equal to 17, YZ is equal to 8, then we have to find distance XZ. For this, here we are given XYZ are the collinear point. So here we get two possibilities. First one is X dash Y dash Z. It means that Y lies in between the point X and Z. It is our first possibility. Then we get the relation distance XZ is equal to distance XY plus distance YZ. Put the values in the given relation. XY is equal to 17, YZ is equal to 8. So 17 plus 8 is equal to how much? It is 25. And second possibility is point Z is lies in between the point X and point Y. So X dash Y, Z dash Y. Then we get the relation distance XY is equal to distance XY is equal to distance XZ plus distance YZ or the ZY. Put the values now. XY is equal to 7 is equal to XZ. YZ is equal to 8. Therefore, distance XZ is equal to 17 minus 8, which is equal to 9. It is our required answer. So, here we complete our practice set 1.1. You have to solve the rest example in the practice set 1.1.